Here's something you might not know. Bananas don't just grow in the tropics. While we often picture lush, steamy jungles or sun-soaked islands when we think of banana plants, the truth is, these fascinating plants can actually thrive in a surprising range of environments. You don't have to live in a tropical paradise to enjoy the beauty and bounty of homegrown bananas. With the right care and a little bit of know-how, you can grow bananas right in your backyard, even if you don't live anywhere near the equator. It might sound unbelievable, but gardeners all over the world are discovering just how rewarding it can be to nurture these unique plants at home. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, growing bananas is more achievable than you might think. Many new gardeners are surprised to learn this, but it's true. Bananas aren't just for tropical climates. In fact, there are dozens of banana varieties, and some are specially bred to handle cooler temperatures or less than ideal conditions. So, if you've ever dreamed of harvesting your own bananas, don't let your climate hold you back. With a little bit of planning and patience, homegrown bananas are well within reach. It all starts with choosing the right variety for your region and giving your plant the care it needs to flourish. From planting a tiny sapling to watching the first flower bloom, the journey is both exciting and rewarding. Banana plants are far more adaptable than most people realize. They can be grown in a variety of settings, from traditional garden beds to large pots on patios. Some types are even cold-hardy, able to withstand brief frosts and chilly nights, while others absolutely thrive in the heat and humidity. Some varieties can handle cooler weather, while others love the heat. For example, the Basjoo banana is famous for surviving in colder climates, while the dwarf Cavendish prefers warmth and sunshine. By picking the right type, you can set yourself up for success no matter where you live. The key is to match the right plant to your climate, and give it what it needs to thrive. Bananas love rich, well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and regular watering. With a little attention and care, you'll be amazed at how quickly your banana plant can grow. Even if you live in a region that gets chilly in the winter, you can still try growing bananas in pots and bringing them indoors when the temperature drops. This way, you can protect your plant from frost and keep it growing strong all year round. Container gardening also makes it easy to move your banana plant to the sunniest spot available. Imagine stepping outside on a sunny morning and picking your own fresh bananas for breakfast. There's nothing quite like the taste of fruit you've grown yourself, and bananas are no exception. They're sweet, nutritious, and perfect for smoothies, baking, or just enjoying as a snack. It's possible, and you don't need a giant garden to make it happen. Bananas can fit into surprisingly small spaces, making them ideal for urban gardeners or anyone with limited room. Even a sunny corner of your yard or a spacious balcony can become a mini banana grove. Whether you have a backyard, a balcony, a sunny patio, or even a rooftop garden, there's a banana plant that can fit your space. With so many varieties and growing options, almost anyone can give banana gardening a try. So, are you ready to give it a go? Let's dig in and discover how you can start your very own banana adventure at home. From choosing the perfect variety to planting, caring, and eventually harvesting your own bananas, we'll walk you through every step. Get ready to transform your space and enjoy the sweet rewards of growing bananas right where you live. Did you know that what most people call the banana tree isn't actually a tree at all? It's a common misconception, but the truth is even more fascinating. The banana plant, which you might see towering over gardens and fields, is not a tree in the botanical sense. Instead, it belongs to a completely different category of plants. In fact, the banana plant is one of the world's largest herbs. Yes, you heard that right. Herbs aren't just the tiny plants you sprinkle on your food. Some, like the banana, can grow to impressive heights, often reaching up to 20 feet or more, making them true giants among herbs. The part of the banana plant that looks like a sturdy trunk is actually something called a pseudostem. This pseudostem is what gives the banana plant its tree-like appearance, but it's not made of wood at all. Instead of a woody trunk, the pseudostem is formed by tightly packed leaf bases that wrap around each other in layers. If you were to cut through it, you'd see a series of overlapping leaves, not rings of wood like you'd find in a real tree. Because bananas are technically herbs, their stems are soft and flexible, not hard and rigid like those of trees. You can actually press into the stem with your fingers, and it will feel spongy and moist. This unique structure allows banana plants to grow incredibly fast. In just a few months, a banana plant can shoot up from a tiny sprout to a towering green giant, making it one of the fastest growing plants in the world. But here's another interesting fact. Each pseudostem, or stem, produces only one bunch of bananas in its lifetime. After the fruit is harvested, that stem dies back, but the plant isn't finished. New shoots, called suckers, emerge from the base, ready to grow and produce the next generation of bananas. All banana plants belong to the genus Musa, a group of plants native to tropical regions of Southeast Asia and now grown all over the world for their delicious fruit and lush foliage. One of the most striking features of banana plants is their enormous broad leaves. These leaves can grow several feet long and provide plenty of shade, making banana plants a beautiful addition to any garden. Bananas absolutely thrive in warm, humid, and moist conditions. They love plenty of sunlight and regular watering, which helps them grow those massive leaves and sweet fruit. Their roots are shallow but spread out wide, forming a dense network just below the surface. This helps the plant soak up water and nutrients efficiently, especially in the rich, loose soils of tropical climates. Understanding the true nature of your banana plant, knowing that it's a fast-growing herb and not a tree, can make a big difference in how you care for it. You'll know to provide it with plenty of water, rich soil, and space to spread its roots. So, treat your banana plant like the giant herb it is. Give it the right conditions, and you'll be rewarded with healthy growth and a bountiful harvest of delicious bananas, straight from your own garden. There are over 1,000 types of banana plants. Of course, not all of them are good for home gardens. Some are grown for their fruit, while others are ornamentals with pretty leaves or flowers. For beginners, start with an easy, tasty variety. Dwarf Cavendish is popular because it stays short and produces sweet bananas. Apple or manzano bananas are also great and can handle cooler weather. If you want a fun red-skinned fruit, try Red Daca. For tiny spaces, Super Dwarf Cavendish grows just a few feet tall, perfect for pots. Think about your climate. If your winters are cold, pick a cold hardy type like Dwarf Orinoco or Rajapuri. Check local nurseries or garden centers for varieties suited to your area. You can also order banana plants online from trusted sellers. Choosing the right banana is the first step toward a successful and tasty banana harvest at home. A healthy start means a healthy plant. For bananas, you'll need a pup or sucker, a young shoot from a mature banana plant. Avoid starting from seed, as most bananas for eating don't grow true from seed and take years to fruit. Look for pups that are 3 to 4 feet tall with at least one healthy leaf and strong roots. Avoid plants with mushy stems, brown spots, or yellowing leaves. These can be signs of disease or poor health. You can dig up pups from a friend's banana patch or buy them from a reputable nursery. Make sure the planting material hasn't been exposed to pests or disease. Healthy pups adjust quickly to their new home and start growing fast. Take your time when choosing your plant. Healthy starting material is the best way to ensure your banana thrives for years to come. Alright, let's talk about what banana plants need to really thrive, starting with the soil. Bananas absolutely love rich, well-draining soil. This means soil that holds onto moisture but doesn't get waterlogged, so the roots can breathe and grow strong. If your garden soil is heavy clay or tends to stay soggy after rain, you'll want to amend it with plenty of organic matter like compost or leaf mold to improve drainage and fertility. The ideal soil should feel crumbly and soft in your hands, not sticky or compacted. Next, pick a spot in your yard that gets plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Bananas are tropical plants, so they crave warmth and light. A sunny location will help your plant grow faster and produce bigger, tastier fruit down the line. Avoid planting in low-lying areas where cold air or frost might settle, as bananas are sensitive to chilly temperatures. When you're ready to plant, dig a hole that's about twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your banana pup. This gives the roots plenty of loose soil to spread into, making it easier for the plant to establish itself. If your soil is especially poor or rocky, consider digging even wider and mixing in extra compost or aged manure. Before you set your banana pup in the hole, mix in a generous amount of compost or well-rotted manure. This step is crucial because bananas are heavy feeders. They need lots of nutrients to fuel their rapid growth. The organic matter will also help retain moisture and encourage beneficial soil microbes, giving your plant the best possible start. Now, gently place your banana pup into the hole, making sure to spread out the roots so they're not bunched up. This helps the plant anchor itself and absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Take your time here. Healthy roots mean a healthy plant. Fill in the hole with soil, pressing down lightly as you go to remove any air pockets. You want the plant to be stable but not compacted. Roots need space to grow. The top of the root ball should sit level with the surrounding soil, not buried too deep. After planting, water your banana thoroughly. This helps settle the soil around the roots and ensures good contact between the roots and their new home. For the first few weeks, keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid letting it get soggy, as bananas don't like wet feet. If you're planting more than one banana, be sure to space them at least 8 to 10 feet apart. These plants can get quite large, and giving them enough room ensures each one gets plenty of sunlight, air circulation, and nutrients. Crowded bananas can compete for resources and may be more prone to disease. Growing bananas in containers is also a great option, especially if you have limited space or colder winters. Choose a large pot, at least 15 to 20 gallons, with plenty of drainage holes. Fill it with a high-quality potting mix blended with compost for extra nutrients. Place your container in the sunniest spot you can find, such as a south-facing patio or balcony. Make sure the pot never sits in a saucer of water, as banana roots are very sensitive to standing water and can rot quickly if left wet. After planting, check the soil moisture regularly. Bananas like their soil to stay consistently moist, but not soggy. Stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry an inch below the surface, it's time to water. Mulching around the base of the plant with straw or bark chips can help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. With the right soil, sunlight, and a little early care, your banana plant will be off to a fantastic start. In just a few weeks, you'll see new leaves unfurling and your plant settling into its new home, ready to grow strong and healthy. Banana plants love sunlight. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of bright light each day. If you're growing indoors or in a shady yard, move your plant to the sunniest spot you can find. Sun helps the plant grow strong and produce sweet fruit. Drainage is just as important as sunlight. Bananas really hate wet feet. Roots sitting in water will rot. Always plant in soil or pots that let excess water drain away. If you have heavy clay soil, mix in sand or gravel to improve drainage. Wind can be a problem too. Banana leaves are big and can tear easily in strong gusts. Plant near a fence or wall to block harsh winds, but make sure your plant still gets sunlight. With the right balance of sun, drainage, and protection, your banana plant will grow tall and healthy. Banana plants are thirsty. They need regular water, especially during hot summer months. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply 2 to 3 times a week, more often during dry spells. In containers, check soil every day. It dries out faster than the ground. Mulching helps keep the soil damp and cool. Spread a thick layer of straw, leaves, or grass clippings around the base of your plant, but not touching the stem. Mulch also keeps weeds down and adds nutrients as it breaks down. Bananas are heavy feeders. Every month, sprinkle compost or organic fertilizer around the plant. You can also feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Look for fertilizers high in potassium, which helps make big, sweet bananas. With the right water, mulch, and food, your banana plant will grow faster and fruit sooner. As your banana plant grows, it will send up new shoots called suckers. Not all suckers are good for fruit. Choose 1 or 2 strong pups to keep and remove the rest. This helps your main plant put energy into making bigger, better bananas. Keep weeds away from your banana patch. Weeds steal water and nutrients from your banana. Pull them by hand or add more mulch to stop them from growing. Watch for pests like aphids, spider mites, or banana weevils. Check leaves and stems for holes, sticky spots, or tiny bugs. If you see pests, wash them off with water or use insecticidal soap. Remove dead leaves to stop diseases from spreading. A little attention each week keeps your banana patch healthy and happy. Banana plants flower after about 9 to 18 months. A big purple bud will appear, followed by rows of tiny flowers. These flowers turn into bananas. As the bunch grows heavier, support the stem with a stake or pole to stop it from falling over. Bananas are ready to harvest when the fruit is full-sized and rounded but still green. Cut the whole bunch off with a sharp knife. Hang the bunch in a shady spot to ripen. Bananas don't sweeten on the plant. After fruiting, the old stem will die. Cut it down and let new pups take its place. Clean up dead leaves and stems to keep the area neat and disease-free. With care and patience, you'll enjoy sweet, homegrown bananas and the fun of growing them yourself.